each file, you can, if you just observe the each file, there is a 3 numbers are there, so with the hyphen separator. Okay, so what is the first number, what is the second number, what is the third number? So I will show you. So what basically has to do, what you have to do is, so first download the folder which is mentioned in the description link. Okay, I mentioned the link in the description to download from the Google Drive. So download and unzip. So these are all the files. There is a lot of files are there. So if you open this text file, so there is a company name is there. So if you open this text file, so it is a company name is there. Okay, so all the company names and the names of the Excel text file is different. So basically what you have to do, robot has to read each and every text file, and this has a 3 information. The first information is like a words. First of all, it's like a words. Okay, so the second information is like a RPM. The second one is RPM. Okay, so the third information is like a volts. See here, the first one is a words, second one is like a RPM, words. Okay, so these 3 information, apart from these 3, the text file name also you have to keep in the orchestrator queues. Just create a queue like this. Okay, so the queue like this. So you have to add, the robot has to add each and every text file one item. So I just added the new item, so you can see what all the fields are there. So first of all, what is the file name, file path, the full path of that text file, and what is the words. Okay, the first one RPM, the second one in the text file, right? So the comma separator value. So the vendor is like inside the text file. Suppose if you just go to the inside the text file, the vendor name is there. Okay, see, this is a vendor name for this details. Okay, this is a vendor name for this details. Okay, so basically what you have to do, so you have to, the robot has to read each and every text file and extract the 3 information like a watts, volts, RPM from the name of the text file and the path of the text file. See here, path of the text file is a path. These are all the 4 things you have to add into the queue. So basically what you have to do, you have to add everything into the queue. That's it. Okay, so the path of the text file and words and RPM and words and vendor name. So where we can get the vendor name, that inside the text file. So what is the text is there, that is a vendor name. Okay, so that is a use case. Just do it. Okay, oh, thank you very much for watching. So please try to do this exercise. So it's like you can get the hands-on experience of the text file, string methods, right, and queue mechanism. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Input arguments, you should